Hey,
We're
I'm back. Yes.
So, you're the first one who gonna ride with this. So you need to break in the rear brake a little
Okay.
bit. Huh?
All right. Sure. Sure.
That's fine. Can you just type in your family name, please?
All right. Sure. There you go.
And your name.
There
Your
you go.
name is like a gondola station here.
Better write it down there just in case.
That's an emergency number, 144.
144. Got it.
I know for police, everything. Huh?
I see. Okay.
You
So
see?
this is Suniga. Yes.
Like your name.
Yeah.
You can write up here
Yep.
and write down this flow trail.
Got it.
12 kilometers long, easy, nice, perfect.
Yep.
Underground train? That's a gondola.
Oh, okay.
Exactly.
Okay.
You are allowed to ride on every hiking trail here. Just to say sorry or just brake, go slow,
I see.
and then you will be fine.
Got it. It's loose. It's working, but I'm scared that maybe in the middle of the trail it snap or something.
Bitte den Fuchskarte vorbereiten.
Wait. Let's go. Yee! Woohoo! Ano tayo squatting? Mananawa ka sa Burma. Yee! I think this side. Yep. Overshoot ako. Woo! Solo contrail ah. Baka hindi mag-enjoy dito si Charlie tsaka si Jeff. Ang flowy ng trail. Berm, puro berm. Pero ako nag-enjoy. Ende. Oh, thank you Lord. Sarap. Saan kayo kumakain? Makdi. Woohoo! Matterhorn. Yeah boy. See that? Thank you, Lord. Sila mag-trotty bike sa taas pero hindi flat trail. Off-road.
Pwede sa disco.
Yun nga, hindi ko alam kung pwede. Tanong ko lang pag-akit ko.